So as you've just seen, I followed your suggestions, who basically said get 2 sets of wheels for the gravel bike that is in the back there, because today is going to be a gravel ride. So I've switched out the road wheels that I used for the Festive 500, got my gravel set on there. I am now running tubeless, and so yeah, we're going to be doing a bit of a gravel ride. It is pretty windy. It looked really nice this morning, and I don't think I've brought enough layers, so hopefully it'll be warm. So yeah, I'm going out with Angela, who you saw in my last video, and a girl who I've not met before called Emma, but she basically is just gravel, off-road, just incredible. So she's going to be showing us around. We're actually near Crag Vale, so we're going to be doing, I'm not really sure how far. There's a route of 75k, but I'm like, we'll see how I get on with 75k off-road. It should be fine. It should be absolutely fine. So I reckon we'll go and get the bike set up, go and meet the girls, and then get off on the road. Also, I will say, I'm filming on a different camera. I don't know why I'm pointing, sorry. Because I wanted to try a smaller camera for when I'm doing gravel rides, because I don't want the camera on my back when I'm doing like all the off-roady stuff, because I don't know, I just feel, I don't know, more apprehensive because I've got it on my back, and it's like if I come off, like I don't know. So Park Cameras have very kindly, so Park Cameras basically lent me a lens when I was doing the North Coast 500. They very kindly lent me a Sony RX100 Mark 7 just for a week or so, just to see how I get on with it, see what the quality is like. And I'm also going to do a comparison to GoPro and also to my A7 III, so you can see if you're in the market for a new camera to take on bike rides with you, because that's one of the main questions that I get is, what camera do you use? How do you carry it? So I thought I would do a comparison if you wanted a smaller camera, which this one is. So far I'm quite impressed with it, but we will see. So yeah, I'm going to get all ready now, and I will see you in a moment. Now at this little bakery place, it's vegan stuff, but God, I'm so shit off-road. If it's a bit of gravel, I'm getting better, and I think it is just about practicing. And Andrew was saying, just keep going, just keep trying. So I think I'm going to try and come on my own a few times, just to get more used to what I can handle. So I also feel bad for holding people up, so I'm just like, oh my God, I'm just so slow and so shit. But I've done more today than I did last time, and next time I'll do more than today. And oh look, Angie's gloves. They are there, both of them. Well done. We're so close to finishing it. Come up here, do a few loops. Hey Ange, come and see your dad and come and do a few loops up here with me. Oh yeah. So we finished the ride. Got a ride up Crag yet. So just having a little hose down, blazing saddles, which is really nice that they leave all the stuff out for us to wash our bikes, because my bike is absolutely covered. So I've just got back. I'm so hungry. The bike could do with a little bit more of a clean, but yeah, I really enjoyed it. And I think it is just more difficult to get better at gravel, because it's so, you need to really know where you're going. You can't just get onto the road and get onto it. So I'm definitely going to be practicing a lot more, doing a lot more. But even in that one ride, I felt like I improved, and each time I'm slowly getting a little bit better. So yeah, thank you so much to Emma and Ange for heading out with me, showing me some more gravel roads. I'm going to leave their Instagrams in my description if you want to go and have a look at them, because Emma does so much, like all what she does is off-road. So I'm going to have a quick look at what they're up to, and yeah, I really need to get some food. I'm very hungry. So I will see you next video. Also, by the way, the lack of footage is because it's really difficult when you're literally just on all these rocks. It probably doesn't even look that bad on the GoPro, on the footage, but yeah, I can't even like take my hand off to, you know, get something out of my bag, like some food or something, which is why I'm pretty hungry. So yeah, sorry for lack of lots of footage. But meh, that's what you're gonna get with gravel. So, right, I'm gonna go. I'll see you next video.